Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Digi Marketing Pro. In today's quick video, we are breaking down what digital marketing is and why it's essential for any business in 2025. Let's get right into it. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that uses the internet or electronic devices. It includes social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email campaigns, content marketing, and more. Basically, if it happens online and promotes a brand, it's digital marketing. Why should you care? Because your customers are online. Over 60% of the world's population uses the internet, and if your business isn't showing up where your customers are searching, scrolling, or shopping, you are missing out. Digital marketing helps you build brand awareness, generate leads, and boost sales, often at a lower cost than traditional marketing. Let's say you own a coffee shop. With just a few dollars a day, you can run Instagram or Facebook ads targeting people within 5 miles of your store. You can show up in Google searches when someone types, "best coffee near me." And you can collect emails to send promos and build loyalty. And that's a quick intro to digital marketing. Want to learn how to grow your brand online, step by step? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video on social media marketing strategies.